Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: moonroof, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power liftgate. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.